the reason why I was so excited to come to this course today is because it's such an exciting time for pharmacists in Ontario to be prescribing. We're finally caught up to other provinces, if not actually being able to prescribe a broader scope than many other provinces. Kudos to OPA and University of Waterloo to bring this workshop, especially the opportunity for everybody to be together. Robust discussions, amazing conversation around ways to integrate minor ailments into the practice, really streamline a lot of the efficiency, provide guidance on how to do it in a standardized way while looking at evidence-based decision-making, documentation, etc. So I'm really happy that I signed up. I'm here with my peers and highly recommend for other pharmacists to take advantage of this program.